Hello, good evening to everyone. It's me, Zharticrafts again. Welcome back to my channel. This evening, I would like to share to all of you a beautiful bracelet using bronze beads. That's the materials I would like to share and use to this project. So if you want to know how to make this one, please join me until the project is done. I have my pliers. I have my 3 types. And I have my old scissor glue for it. This glue can be used by rubber, metal, plastic. So let's start. I start with the I think I start the small one first, like that. Yeah, because I don't want to cut my wire easily, so I put in first the beads inside, like that. Approximate size of this one. Yeah, I put a little bit tail about half inch like that. Make approximate size of that loop, like that. You can use your 2 plies to hold and make the loop nicely, and this one you can press nicely so that won't scratch your skin, and for the best result also, like that. And when you turn this one to 2 rounds of your wire, so that won't easily come out. Yeah, and help your other hand to make smooth the wire, like that, and not easily to come out. That you can see I have my loop like that. Yeah, and it's not scratching. You wanna get hurt your skin. It's like that, closer to the loop. And use the pliers to bend down like that. And bring over your wire going out, like that. Make the loop nicely, like that, by using your thumb and your pointed fingers to hold it tightly. Once you get a loop like that, you turn this wire going 2 more round or 1 round, so that is more durable, won't easily come out the beads, and not easily to tear off your work. So that one is our. Now we can press that loop by using your another pliers, and bend again, cut with your scissor, like that, and turn nicely. We press nicely this one by using our other pliers to fix that one. Use the very tip of your pliers and press it down. Make sure that the things won't scratch you. So you press nicely, like that. That you can see the beads is perfectly how we connected our beads and together, like that. Now I put the white one at least 2, because this one is small. At least 2 to connect that one. Before you make a loop to the side, you inserted first here, like that, or you make a loop first before you inserted this one, but be sure you inserted that one so that we can connected that one. We insert this one first. Insert like that. Now after we make a loop like that, so this is connected already. Yeah, now it's connected already with the other beads, like that. Yeah, and make another loop, not perfect but almost, not too big, not too small, like that. So we always remember how we start the loop, how big that one, because you can see to the long nose where did you start, because have scratch, like that. And pull it down, like that, pull, and make sure the loop is almost on your very tip of your work, like that. So you can adjust when you get a little bit bigger. You can adjust the loop by pressing down like that. You can see the loop like that, and you can adjust how the size. Oh, now is a little big the size, and then you can pull pull it nicely. You can adjust that one when you can see is a little bit bigger. Yeah, and insert and pull like that. So you can see the loop is almost perfect. Now this one is rub the wire 2 times. Yeah, and support. Now that is 2 times already. I pull the wire and help to cut your wire by using your scissor. It up already, and because it's halfway, so you can grab your wire nicely using other plies, using like that. Press out and grab the tail of your wire and push it nicely like that. Now become like that, is connected already, and continue until the designated size of your bracelet. I mostly use I mostly the length of my bracelet is 7. Just continue doing our things like that you can see. Now is a little bit longer already, and we continue until that one the size is might be 7 inches like that. So let's continue making. Always take a look whether it can scrub your fingers like that you can see already, that not scrubbing your fingers. Yeah, now you can see is seated nicely like that. Wait, I closer my camera. Before you close, you inserted first the other side like that, and use the other plies like that to tighten the loop. Yeah, to tighten. Yeah, helping together like that. Let's continue until our project is done. We just put the locker of your you can connect it like that, but this one more patient. You make this one, use the pliers to flatten a bit. I squeeze a bit, just nice, just fit like that. Yeah, you can use a little bit force so can inside here like that. Both can insert like that, a little bit pressure to put inside. For the best result, you can press a little bit. Yeah, before you put the glue. Yeah, put a little bit glue and wait for a second to make it dry. Now that one, the result of my bracelet. That's the lacquer like that. Yeah, and by simple things, that's durable, and you can choose any color you want. This is our project after we're done. Hope you enjoy to my project, and I hope you learn. This is the result, a beautiful bracelet already. And if you have any question regarding about this one, just comment down below. I answer as I can. Ito na po yung ating mga project. Ito na po yung ating project. So kung may katanungan, just comment down below po. And kindly like, share, subscribe po para ma-notify po kayo sa mga susunod ko pang video. Press na rin po yung bell button, ano po, para lagi po kayong ma-update. Ano po. See you po and good evening to everyone.